Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to cancel a flight on Expedia. When you purchase cancel for any reason, if you decide to cancel your flight, you'll get a partial refund of the total flight booking. The amount of your applicable refund will be displayed prior to booking and will be based on the original price paid for the flight. You can cancel your trip on Expedia up to 24 hours before the first flight in your booking is initially scheduled to depart. Also get your refund of the total flight booking, including any fees for seats and or bags if applicable. They'll automatically process your refund. To do this, choose a flight and add cancel for any reason which is offered on select flights. To cancel your flight and get your refund, go to trips. Now select the flight booking that you want to cancel. Next, go to manage booking, select cancel booking and follow the steps on the screen. When you purchase cancel for any reason and cancel your flight 24 hours before initially scheduled to depart, it'll automatically issue your refund to your original payment method. It may take up to 7 working days before you see it. Cancel for any reason is an optional add-on to your flight. You can cancel your flight anytime with or without Expedia's cancel for any reason product. Any refund will be issued as a credit to the form of payment used to book the original Expedia itinerary. If you purchase the flight using 1K cash, your cancel for any reason refund will be issued in 1K cash. Thanks for watching, make sure to like and subscribe.